Hi everyone, we're so excited to announce our new school analytics dashboard. In this quick tutorial, I'll be going over some of the new engagement statistics that you'll have at your fingertips in the Family Engagement tab of your redesigned analytics dashboard. As always, when you first log in, you'll be brought to your messages inbox. And to get to your analytics dashboard, you'll click on the same analytics button as before. Your Analytics dashboard will automatically be sent to your General tab, but to access the Family Engagement tab, you'll simply need to click on it. In the Family Engagement tab, you'll see a variety of things, with each row organized by student name, contact name, language, messages sent to teachers, messages sent to school, messages received from teachers in school, and announcements received from teachers in school, with the ability to filter based on each of these numbers. You can also select different date ranges for this data. So if I wanted to view only the data for today, as opposed to the data for the last month, I could do that, as well as the option to download all of this data here. We've also made it a point to add and highlight the number of zeros that you might have in this spreadsheet, which will indicate families who might need a little encouragement to reach back to you, or the families whose teachers might need a little bit more encouragement to reach out to them. In this case, for October, Kale's mom was not reached out to at all by their teachers, so you might encourage them to send messages to that family and give them a little extra nudge. And there you have it. That's how to use the Family Engagement tab in our redesigned School Analytics dashboard. We really hope that this new dashboard will make your family engagement a breeze. Check out our other videos to see what you can do with your teacher engagement and general tabs.